Okay, here we are in the train, leaving Chiang Mai and going to Lampang. Middle of June, should have had more rain than this. Real dry. Okay, Lampang. Okay, this is one of my favorite temples here in Lampang, and we'll scan and show the grounds here. Here's another one of those out-of-the-way temples in Lampang. This one here is has a lot of chetties. Now these chetties, these were built to bury royalty, and this is somewhere between the 11th and 13th century. And they buried the kings and their family. They didn't bury them, they cremated them, and then they put their ashes in these chetties. And as you can see, there's quite a bit of them. So, pan over this way. And we'll come back this way. Beautiful day. Then there's the temple over there. Okay, here we are at one of the ceramic factories here in Lampang. And rather than the type they put it on a pottery wheel, this type here they put it in molds. And you can see right there she's cutting the trimming from the mold. And we'll zoom that in so you can get a better look. There you go. They're cleaning it up where they comes out of the mold, has the ridges in it. Just got to take the ridges off, and then they'll put more slip on it to smooth it out. Okay, cleaning up the pots again. Getting that all ready. Here he's cutting out the logo for a hotel in I think it's in Chiang Mai, and then they cut it out of clay, and so there's your artist again, right, putting the glaze on these are plates, and I guess they're going to do different colors. This is one color glaze, and I'll do another one. That's how they make the bottom of the plates perfectly flat. Okay, here they also make handmade items. This is a special order from somebody in Italy, a flower pot that they're doing. It kind of looks upside down, but if that's the way he wants it, I guess that's okay. Okay, that one's done. Get another one. Okay, these are some of the handmade items they have here in their showroom. We don't want to show too much detail because put it on the internet, people try to copy it. So we don't want anybody copying these. So we're just going to go around here. Oh, I almost knocked that one over. And just show you what it is and what's going on. And all the beautiful things they have here in their showroom. And, okay, here's the showroom of their regular items. Dinnerwares, plates, things like that. A lot of celadon here. Looks really good. And over there you've got your cups and things like that. Really good. Again, they don't want me to get too close because people are afraid people are going to copy their work, and we don't want that to happen. So you're just going to have to come on tour and find for yourself.